What'd you need?
Bradley, put your nuts in my hand. Oh,
There you go.
those are small.
Yeah, well, you know, they've done the job.
They've been freshly drained, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
Anyway, sexual innuendo guy. Get in there. Oh, no, yeah. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Oh, yeah. We're in.
Glad that was closed.
Yeah. Well, it's kind of goopy, so it doesn't really.
Takes a minute.
Yeah, it takes a minute when you
Put your washers on there?
Yeah, it just did.
Oh, get some beer. You can have that.
Get ready to put that on there. Can you turn that airplane down? We're filming.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah?
Oh, that was loosey-goosey.
No, it wasn't.
Just like Bobby.
Still a virgin there.
That's not what I heard. Brandon got drunk one night and told us everything.
Pinky doesn't count.
Huh?
A pinky doesn't count.
Oh, so you're not denying it.
I'm just saying. There's a chick doing it, so it's just...
She said she didn't use any lube and you took like a... Anyways.
What?
Here. I'm filming.
Oh, God. So the beauty part about the new one is because it sits over more on this bracket.
Yeah?
Because obviously somebody didn't really know how to weld and measure shit for square. It's actually away from the
Thing?
thing. Ooh. Because it doesn't sit...
That looks like a good amount, actually.
Yeah, it doesn't sit squarely on the pad like the old one did. So I'm sure it was sitting in there cockeyed to begin with. Which means, you know,
Heard something else was kind of good.
it's got a little curve. It's fine.
It's nothing. It's just like California.
Yeah. It feels good that way from what they tell me.
All right, guys. Well, we're almost finished with this
Where's
side.
that 5/8?
That's right.
Christ.
We'll end up putting the tires back on, and we'll go back to you when we're running the
Getting
front.
ready to the...
Right side? Right
Yep,
side
we just
front?
got to do the right front. And
Cool.
then Kyle can take her home.
He'll be happy.
Yeah, I like Kyle. I know Kyle a while now. He's cool. Danielle's grandparents live around the corner from him.
And Indio?
No, grandparents, not parents.
Oh,
1,000 Palms.
where's the house at? Or where's the party at this weekend? Indio?
Yeah, by your house, kind of.
Oh, okay. That's over by... Never mind, guys. All
Where
right.
the party at?
Where the... Never
Where the
mind.
party at?
Later.
Sit back here.
Oh, another jack?
Yeah, because I just got to get to that bolt.
Okay. How you doing down there?
Good. Can I have my
You, re-
wrenches?
are you ready for your shot?
Ooh, my close up.
Your close-up, sweetheart.
Oh boy.
Yeah, that good?
Oh yeah.
Get you a little 30-second segment. All right, boys and girls. I guess I gotta go get his job to jack me off. What's in
Yeah.
your hand?
The new spring for the right front, which
Nice.
ironically has a 2022 production date, and the one we just took off, that's still good, has a 2022 production date, but that'll become his spare. You just put this plate back on the bottom of this,
Yep.
which goes in the spring bucket.
Yep.
So this will go in like so. Come on, baby, be good.
Be nice.
Goes in the spring bucket.
Uh-huh.
And then this plate here
It's a crazy looking plate.
bolts to the chassis. There's 4 holes in the frame
Okay.
and the cross member, and it bolts to the chassis.
Very nice.
Our air fitting goes through here, which I'm gonna need the Teflon when we get a chance.
I got it right behind you.
Oh yeah,
Right there.
oh yeah, right there. All right, so we're gonna need that, and then I gotta start threading this in.
Sounds good. We'll go back to you guys in a few minutes here.